Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. This is the new year 2023. What are we expecting for Terra Classic? Terra Classic is still trading with about 3 zeros. Now, according to experts, they believe Terra Classic is going to delete some few zeros this year. And of course, Terra Classic, there's possibility this coin can delete up to 2 to 3 zeros before the end of 2023. When you consider the fact that Terra Classic also started the year in a very good way. I mean, the Terra Classic have been increasing in price, have been increasing in market cap, and also Terra Classic have gotten a lot of support. In fact, 2022 Terra Classic was one of the biggest coins of 2022, and we believe that is going to continue in 2023. Now, Terra Classic will soon get listed by Robinhood and Coinbase, and then Binance have been supporting this coin. Even Binance founder says it. Now, so many people actually believe Terra Classic is going to massively increase in price this year after pushing its way towards the top 38 crypto coins with the highest market cap. And I believe, of course, very soon we'll be seeing the Terra Classic market cap hitting over $1 billion. But what shocked me was during the late 2022, that was in December, we also saw Terra Classic volume hitting over $330 million in a single day. I mean, almost one third. It's very difficult to see a coin with a market cap and the volume is sitting about one third of its market cap. I believe, of course, Terra Classic is going to hit more, and I believe this year 2023 we'll be seeing Terra Classic deleting 2 to 3 zeros. Of course, it is possible for Terra Classic to delete 3 zeros, but remember, they need to also burn a lot of coins. They need to at least destroy a lot of supply. They have about 5.8 or 5.9 trillion coins. I mean, they really need to destroy this number of coins. And also, of course, Terra Classic still need to get a lot of partnership. Want to see big whales coming in. You want to see Terra Classic trying to get a lot of holders. And one important thing about Terra Classic is that Terra Classic holders are really supporting this coin, and that is why the staking of Terra Classic have also increased. We also saw Terra Classic ending the year 2022 with over 1 trillion staking, and I mean, that is amazing to see such coin. After within 3 months, Terra Classic also burned over 37 billion coins in 3 months, and I believe the burning of Terra Classic will definitely increase this year. We are going to see Terra Classic burning over 1 trillion coins in 2023, and I believe if that can happen, then Terra Classic hitting a massive increase in price is already getting possible. Deleting 2 to 3 zeros is already getting possible, and I believe Terra Classic is going to become one of the biggest coins of 2023. And I believe holders need to keep getting fed on Terra Classic, because even though when you consider that Binance founder says they are over supporting Terra Classic, and with Binance alone, I believe Terra Classic definitely is going to increase. Binance are controlling almost 45 to 50% of Terra Classic daily volume, and you can see that there is a lot of support coming in from Binance, and I believe by the time Coinbase can list this coin, we might be seeing Terra Classic deleting between 2 to 3 zeros. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.